The programming mode in your Revolation V, Delta, or 3Z allows the user to save custom, melt, temper, and delta points. To access the programming mode, press the P button while the machine is in the startup screen. There are 4 main recipes labeled Manual, Milk, Dark, and White. The manual mode is a melt-only cycle used mainly for non-cocoa butter-based chocolates. To enter the manual mode, press the M button while in the startup screen. Milk, Dark, and White are presets for each respective type of chocolate. All 4 are adjustable. In addition, there are 26 customizable and savable recipes labeled A through Z. Each recipe contains a temper point, temper delta, and melt point. Press the P button to toggle between each line, and the arrow up and down buttons to change the value of said lines. The temper point is the final temperature the chocolate will be brought to in order to be in temper and be ready to be dipped in or molded. Temper point ranges from 80 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The temper delta is how many degrees the chocolate will go below the final temper point and ranges between 0 and 10 degrees Fahrenheit. The melt point is the temperature the machine will bring the chocolate to before you begin its tempering cycle. It ranges between 85 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. To run a recipe, enter or access it in the programming mode and press the S button. Hit the R button at any time to save the changes and exit programming mode. The machine's timer allows the machine to begin its melt cycle up to 72 hours from the time of setting it. Your melt cycle will begin at the instructed time, allowing you to begin working with melted chocolate that simply needs to go through a temper cycle. To access the machine's timer, press the P button to toggle between hours and minutes, and the arrow up and down buttons to set the desired time, and press the S button to begin the countdown to melting. You can access the machine's timer from within each recipe.